Welcome back to Online Tools Master. Today, we're exploring a super handy tool, the JPEG Quality Changer. If you've ever wanted to tweak the quality of your JPEG images, stick around. Let's dive in. The JPEG Quality Changer is a simple online tool that lets you adjust the quality of your JPEG images from 0% to 200%. At 100%, your image is at its original quality. Lower percentages introduce compression artifacts, while higher percentages enhance color richness and detail. Let's start with some examples to see how this tool works. First, we're enhancing the quality of an orange flower image. We set the quality to 200%, which boosts the colors, sharpens details, and enhances shadows. The transformation is impressive, right? Next, let's create a JPEG with heavy artifacts. Using a sunflower image, we set the quality to 0%. The result is an image almost unrecognizable due to extreme compression. The effect of high compression is quite dramatic. The JPEG Quality Changer is a fantastic tool for adjusting the quality of your JPEG images with just a few clicks. If you enjoyed this tutorial, check out our previous videos on the PNG Transparency Creator and PNG Color Replacer tools for more tips and tricks. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.